Do you often feel sluggish or bloated? Have you noticed that your digestion just isn't as smooth as it used to be? What if I told you that simple, everyday habits could help support your liver and digestive health, making you feel better and more energized without needing to rely on extreme detox diets? It's true. In this video, we'll explore 5 natural detox habits that can help keep your liver and gut in tip-top shape. These habits are easy to incorporate into your daily routine and can lead to significant improvements in how you feel. Let's dive into how you can support your body's natural detox systems with these simple, effective habits. 1. Start the day with warm lemon water. A simple but incredibly powerful habit to kickstart your day and support your liver and digestive health is drinking warm lemon water on an empty stomach. This refreshing ritual not only wakes you up but also provides essential benefits for both your digestive system and liver. Drinking warm lemon water stimulates your liver to produce bile, a digestive fluid that helps break down fats and process toxins. This action helps your liver detoxify the body, especially after a night's rest when it's been working to remove toxins from the bloodstream. Lemon water is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect your liver cells from damage and enhances the immune system. The citric acid in lemon also helps increase the acidity in your stomach, improving digestion and making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients from food throughout the day. Additionally, it boosts hydration first thing in the morning, helping your body stay hydrated after hours of sleep. Hydration is crucial for maintaining optimal liver function as it helps flush out toxins and aids digestion. By simply adding warm lemon water to your morning routine, you're setting the stage for a day of healthy digestion and liver support. This easy-to-do habit helps improve the function of your digestive system, making it easier for your body to eliminate waste and absorb nutrients efficiently. You'll start your day feeling more energized and refreshed, and over time, it can lead to better digestion, reduced bloating, and improved overall liver health. 2. Consume cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens. Another great habit for supporting liver and digestive health is incorporating cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens into your diet. Vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and kale are packed with compounds that help the liver produce enzymes that support detoxification. These vegetables are not only rich in fiber, which aids digestion, but they also contain sulfur compounds that activate the liver's natural detox processes. One of the most powerful benefits of these vegetables is their high chlorophyll content. Chlorophyll helps absorb toxins and heavy metals from the bloodstream, making it easier for your body to eliminate them. Eating cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens can also help reduce inflammation in the digestive system, supporting better overall gut health. For example, kale and spinach are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that promote a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a key role in digestion and immune function. Consuming these vegetables can also aid in digestion by providing the fiber needed for regular bowel movements. A diet high in fiber helps keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, reducing the risk of constipation and bloating. You can enjoy these veggies steamed, roasted, or raw, and adding them to salads, soups, or smoothies is an easy way to boost your intake. By including cruciferous vegetables and leafy greens in your daily meals, you'll be supporting your liver's detoxification abilities, improving your digestion, and enhancing your overall health. 3. Incorporate liver-friendly herbs and spices. Herbs and spices play a huge role in supporting liver health and digestion, making them an essential addition to any detox routine. Incorporating liver-friendly herbs such as turmeric, garlic, and ginger into your meals can have a profound impact on your body's ability to detoxify naturally. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin helps reduce liver inflammation, promote bile production, and even repair damaged liver cells. By including turmeric in your meals, whether through curry dishes or turmeric tea, you're supporting your liver's detox function and reducing oxidative stress in the body. This can significantly help with conditions like fatty liver disease and overall liver function. Garlic is another powerhouse herb for liver health. It contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes, which are responsible for flushing out toxins and waste products from the body. These sulfur compounds also support the production of glutathione, one of the liver's most important antioxidants that helps detoxify and repair cells. Incorporating garlic into your meals not only adds flavor, but also supports liver health in a natural, effective way. Ginger is also known for its anti-inflammatory effects and its ability to support digestion. Ginger helps stimulate bile production, reducing the burden on your liver and promoting better digestion. It also alleviates bloating and helps soothe the digestive tract. Adding ginger to your diet, whether in smoothies, teas, or stir-fries, can provide a natural boost to your liver and digestive health. By using these herbs regularly, you're giving your liver the tools it needs to function optimally, while also supporting better digestion and overall well-being. 4. Hydrate with green tea and water. Staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to support liver and digestive health. Drinking adequate water is essential for flushing out toxins and ensuring that your liver has the hydration it needs to perform its detoxification processes efficiently. But it's not just plain water that can support your body. It's also beneficial to incorporate green tea into your hydration routine. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which have been shown to support liver health by protecting the liver from damage caused by oxidative stress. These antioxidants also help improve liver function and prevent diseases like fatty liver. Drinking green tea regularly can enhance the liver's ability to detoxify the body, making it a great addition to any detox plan. Additionally, green tea can support digestion. The polyphenol in green tea helps stimulate gastric juices, promoting better digestion and nutrient absorption. If you often experience bloating, indigestion, or sluggish digestion, drinking a cup of green tea after meals can help alleviate these symptoms and encourage smoother digestion. For the best results, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day and drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support your liver's natural detoxification process. By incorporating green tea into your hydration routine, you're boosting your liver's ability to detox, enhancing digestion, and improving your overall well-being. Hydration is the key to keeping your liver and digestive system functioning smoothly, and adding green tea to your daily regimen makes it even more effective. 5. Eat fermented foods and fiber-rich whole grains. Fermented foods and fiber-rich whole grains are 2 key components of a healthy diet that directly support your digestive system and liver function. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that help maintain a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion and detoxification because it prevents harmful bacteria from entering the bloodstream and supports the elimination of waste. Fermented foods also help improve the absorption of nutrients from food, ensuring that your liver has the nutrients it needs to carry out its detoxification processes. They can also reduce inflammation in the gut, promoting better digestion and overall gut health. Adding fermented foods to your diet on a regular basis can help prevent gut dysbiosis, a condition where the balance of good and bad bacteria is disrupted, leading to digestive issues and inflammation. In addition to fermented foods, fiber is another important nutrient that helps support digestive and liver health. Fiber-rich whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and barley help keep your digestive system running smoothly by promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber also binds to toxins and helps remove them from the body, reducing the burden on the liver. Foods high in fiber such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains also provide essential nutrients that support liver function and detoxification. By incorporating fermented foods and fiber-rich grains into your daily meals, you're supporting your digestive system's ability to eliminate waste and helping your liver function optimally. These foods play an essential role in detoxification, ensuring that your body is able to naturally flush out toxins and keep your digestive system in top condition. There you have it, 5 natural habits that support your liver and digestive health. From starting your day with warm lemon water to incorporating liver-friendly herbs and spices, these small changes can make a big difference in how your body processes and eliminates toxins. By adding these habits to your daily routine, you're giving your liver and digestive system the support they need to keep functioning at their best. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and take care of your body.